Thank you. So would you like to ask something, Mr. Ramesh?
Yeah, so I have two questions, but maybe I'll ask the second one later on. My first question is we at times see a challenge
Yeah.
when can you be a parent and a friend to your child?
Can you be a parent and friend to a child? So actually a very good question. Now, you are always going to be a parent to your daughter. Even if your daughter is 70 years old, you will always be a parent. So there is no doubt that to be a parent or not. But you need to understand where you need to be a parent and where you need to be a friend. If you understand this differentiation, majority of the conflicts will go away. Now, when, as I said, when the person is developing or the person is their phase formative years, when they are developing their personality, that is the time actually parents need to change into the friend's role. Now, why this happens? Because this is a individuation process, I would say this, wherein the child is slowly trying to take decisions to understand, can I actually take decisions? But parents find it as arrogance, parents find it as rebelliousness. They say, no, no, you're not asking me. Now, this is where the conflict begins. When you respond from a parent's role, then the child will always remain a child. If you respond from the friend's role, that allowing them to take their own decisions to a certain extent, of course, you cannot let go all the control because teenagers tend to get into the wrong company. But friendship begins here, wherein you understand that this person in front of me is not just a child, is not just my child, is an individual also. And this individual needs to grow as an individual plant, as an individual entity. If I always try and be a parent, there will be no individual existence. Or that individual will take a lot of years to find that individual space. So many of us may go through that drill, they may go through that conflicts with the society to find their own identity. But that takes a long time and it happens with a lot of trial and error. If that freedom of choice comes from parents, it helps them develop and become more adults, more a better adult. So this is the differentiation which you need to understand. Parent and friend. You will also understand when children come back to you. Usually they will go to the mothers. Even sons and daughters, both of them, usually when they are growing up, they will go to the mother to solve their issues. The permissions are taken from the father. This is the usually everywhere, all over the world, this is happens. Why? Mothers give the listening support, they give empathetic listening time to the child to express themselves. Now, this is the conflict which happens with fathers also. What fathers tend to feel that I am the best person to advise my child and avoid any mistakes in their life. But if you constantly feel like a parent and think like a parent, then you will not be able to help them actually make decisions. So fathers need to address their issues wherein you become a friend by asking them what they want to do and providing options as a friend. Instead of giving ultimatums, instead of giving ready-made solutions, कि ये करो, वो करो, that's done. So this is the change or shift which we need to create between parent role and the friend role.
But Srimant, would there be situations when you are talking to your child as a friend, but you hit a point where you have to then swing into the parent mode,
Yes.
and that swing has to happen at at a certain point. Also, it can happen. It might not even build up, but at a second point, which is a breaking point, you
Yeah.
might swing from a friend to a parent.
Yeah, it does happen. It will happen. But when we talk about parent-child relationships, it should not be a one day or one event thing. It should be more about the culture. So एक issue आपके पास आया and then you try and shift into the friend mode and then you find it difficult, that will not be possible. It's a culture which you need to develop as your child is growing up and you don't consider them as a child. Because this is the pattern happens when the child is actually 23-year-old and parents still complain, ये तो independent decision ही नहीं ले पाता. They have a complaint, ये तो इसमें तो confidence ही नहीं है. लोग देख तेरे friends देख क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, तू तो घर पे ही बैठा है. But understand, you have reinforced unknowingly this pattern in your child.
True.
which happens during, because the parent role never goes away. As last meeting also I said, there nothing grows under a banyan tree. If you are always a banyan tree, your child can never grow under it. The child needs to face the harsh sunlight, develop a tolerance towards it, and then grow as an independent individual. So वो अगर होगा तभी होगा when you know the balance between becoming a parent and a child. ऐसा है.
Thanks.
Thank you for asking that question.
Where
Yeah,
do we draw the line, Srimant, as to like what is the
there are clear demarcations. If the decision is risky for the child, or your child is taking something, a rash decision, even there you need to help them identify what they are doing wrong instead of telling them. So very clear demarcation would be changing from the instructions based to discussion. If you change it from instruction to discussion, you will go into the friend role. You can still discuss it or dispute their ideas. If they have wrong ideas, you can dispute those ideas still. But if you do it from the friend role, that will be much better, because that will help them grow. And understand, whenever you are in the parent mode, the child becomes rebellious. Whenever you are giving dictations or instructions or ultimatums, the child is always going to rebel. Because see, this is a natural mechanism which the individual is experiencing, because they have to become adult. If you do not allow it, they are going to struggle with it. They are going to fight for it. It's a natural mechanism. Otherwise, all of us can never become individuals, can never become independent. So instead of that, instructions, instead of direct instructions, instead of direct commands, ye karo, wo karo, you can go into question. If you want to become a friend, you can go into question and ask, what do you think is the right option? What other options do we have? What else can we do? It sounds and it opens up their mind also. Understand? And when you give instructions, the child may majority times not even tell you what is going on in their mind. But when actual discussions happen, you will actually get to know more of what is happening with your child, or how they think, or what they believe about different things. So ये थोड़ा सा आपको अगर shift कर सकें तो that will be the best. So for everyone, instruction to discussion. Thank you so much for asking that question.
thanks, Srimant.
Thank you.